In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check saved drafts on LinkedIn. By the end, you'll know exactly how to confirm that a post you didn't publish has been safely saved as a draft, so you can come back to it later without losing your work. Start on your LinkedIn feed. This is the main homepage you see after signing in, and it's where you'll find the box for creating a new post. Give the page a second to load, so all the buttons and controls appear properly. Next, click Create a Post. This opens the Post Composer where you can type a caption, attach images or videos, add a document, or include hashtags. You don't need to publish anything in this tutorial. The goal is simply to interact with the composer, so LinkedIn has something to save. Go ahead and type a few words. Anything meaningful to you is fine. Even a short placeholder line will do. The important part is that the composer now contains changes that LinkedIn can protect as a draft. Continue working in the composer as you normally would. You can refine a sentence, try a different hook, or paste in a link you plan to use later. Don't worry about formatting it perfectly right now. Think of this as setting up a safety net, making sure your ideas aren't lost if you step away. After you've made some edits, LinkedIn will show a pop-up information box. This is LinkedIn's way of checking in before you leave the composer or move on. The message gives you a choice. You can discard what you've written, which permanently removes it, or you can save it as a draft. If you intend to revisit this post later, choose the Save option. When you select Save as Draft, look toward the bottom of your screen for a small confirmation message. You'll see a note indicating that your draft was successfully saved. That message is your verification, your quick check that LinkedIn has stored your work. If you don't spot it right away, give it a moment and make sure you actually selected the save option rather than discard. A stable internet connection can help here as well. That's really all there is to it. By starting a post, making a quick edit, and choosing to save, you get the confirmation that your content is safely tucked away. Later, when you're ready, you can return to LinkedIn and pick up right where you left off, polish your text, and post with confidence. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more LinkedIn tips and tutorials.